thank you for joining me. This is a video that is going to take you through how to do bus stop method division, and it's quite mild. It's quite a mild video, and that's absolutely fine. If you're looking to build some confidence with bus stop method division, this is a great place to start. We're going to look at the question 3,208 divided by 4. The first thing I need to do is write my bus stop, so it looks like this. Some people put a line there as well, that's fine, if that's something that you like to do. The big number, the number at the front of the sum, goes inside the bus stop. And I'm going to give each bit a square. Don't work all tiddly tiny squished up. Give yourself space. Space! Makes maths much easier. The number that we're dividing by, the little number at the end of the sum, goes at the front of the bus stop. So, they've kind of swapped over from the sum, and I know that that can confuse some of you. You need to remember, the big number goes inside the bus stop, and the number that we're dividing by, the small number, goes outside of the bus stop. Really important that you remember all the way through the sum, divided by 4. Dividing by 4. Right, let's crack on. We start by saying, how many times does 4 go into 3? And we know if I've got 3 things, it doesn't go in any times. 4 goes into 3 0 times. And how many are left over? That means, how many do you have to count up from the table? So I've divided by 4. I'm counting up in my 4 times table. I'm going 0. Can't go any further because it would take me above 3, and then I go 1, 2, 3. So it's a remainder 3. And I put that little 3 just there and turn this number into 32. How many times does 4 go into 32? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So it goes in 8 times exactly. So I take that 8 and write it up there. And I don't need to worry about how many are left over, because we've not got any, it goes in exactly. How many times does 4 go into 0? Goes in 0 times, and again it goes in exactly. And how many times does 4 go into 8? 4, 8. So it goes in twice. Exactly. So our answer to 3,208 divided by 4 is up here. It's 802. So, hopefully you followed that. The difficult bit really is just carrying the numbers. So what you need to do is think of counting up in your times table until you get to the one that's one below your actual number, and then counting on your fingers how many more until you get to the number that you're trying to hit. Okay? And it's the same if you get to the end and you need to put a remainder on, that same question, how many are left over, becomes your remainder. Adding a few of those things in, solving ones like that, would make it more of a medium problem though. So for our mild, this is fine. If you're wanting more challenge, come join me in the next video. See you there. Bye bye.